Hello, everybody. My name is Mel the Money Coach. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode on my channel called Mel the Money Coach, where we talk about all things related to budgeting, saving, investing, and really how can you get the most margin out of your budget to really aim your budget towards your goals instead of just being all over the place and getting nowhere. So we were talking about saving for Christmas already. I know, right? It's the middle of summer. Why is this crazy money coach talking about Christmas? Well, to avoid getting into an emergency, running up credit card debt, that sort of thing, it's imperative to start saving for things we know are going to happen, and especially Christmas. We know Christmas is in December every year, but it always seems to sneak up on you. I mean, like for me, that's what I feel like too. It's like, oh my gosh, how did December 25th happen so quickly? I feel like it was just summer. So anyway, start your sinking fund for your Christmas purchases. And my other thing I want to answer for this is, what is a sinking fund? I know I get this question a lot. A sinking fund is like a sub savings or a separate checking or, some separate savings account that helps you save money for things that you know are going to happen. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So like, you know that you're going to need tires on your car or your truck or whatever it is. So it's helpful to start saving for those things earlier. And especially when you're out of debt, then you have that whole margin that you get to work with and really dial in your sinking funds. So this depends on, when you start your sinking funds, it depends which step you're on. If you are in, and it depends on what the need is. Vacation is not a need, it's a want. So baby step 2, you should consider holding off on vacation and putting that income towards debt instead of taking a luxurious vacation, that sort of thing. But if your baby steps 4, 5, and 6, now you can have a pretty robust vacation fund because that's part of the rhythm of saving for retirement, paying off your home, doing fun things, going on vacations, that sort of thing. So that's something that we can talk about as a money coach client thing. And that's a big part of what I do is I help you set up the sinking funds and figure out how much per month needs to go in which based on your goal, based on your income, based on your needs, based on overtime and all these different things. So it can be pretty complicated pretty quickly, but it's a really good system. So that's something you should consider doing. So Christmas is a good one. Like I said, vacation, depending on your situation and which baby step you're on. So some things to think about. There's always things to save for. And remember, if we're going to stop going into debt, it's important to have money set aside so you're not tempted to use that credit card. You're not tempted to go to the bank and take out a loan or a personal loan or borrow from family or what have you. So in order to break that cycle of debt, sinking funds is a huge key for that. All right, that's all I got for you this time. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.